Did you know you can pop out more than one-on-one chats inside of Microsoft Teams? Certain channel tabs can also be popped out, so they're easily accessible throughout your day. Tabs that can be popped out include OneNote notebooks, Microsoft lists, and website tabs. To pop out one of those tabs, click on it, then you'll see the small drop-down arrow. Once you click that arrow, you'll see the option to pop tab out. When that happens, you now have that tab opened up in a window similar to a browser tab. Tabs to files, libraries, specific documents, and your channel calendar tab can't be popped out, but they can be expanded. To expand your tab, again, click on that drop-down arrow and you'll see expand tab, and that will give you full use of your Teams desktop app frame to make content more easily readable inside of Teams.